Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be back with another video. This is a new series which recently completed its 12th episode. The 8th Son, Are You Kidding Me? This is a fantastic series which I recently watched and has both dub and subtitles, and both subtitles have 12 episodes. In this video I will be reviewing that is it worth to watch The 8th Son, Are You Kidding Me? So let's get started with this video. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and share as much as possible on any platform or any social media platform you would like. So let's get started with this video. In this video, firstly I will talk about its summary. Like Shinigo Ichinomiya, a 15-year-old man working at a film company, while thinking of tomorrow's busy working day, goes to sleep. However, when he woke up, he found himself in a room unknown to him and realized that he is inside a 6-year-old body. That means that he is inside a 6-year-old boy body. Then, taking over his body and mind, he soon learns from the memories of the boys that the boy was born as the youngest child of a poor noble family living in a backcountry. The backcountry means like you can go to as a village, or you can say that it's an undeveloped area of a country. Like take an example, if you are take example of USA like a developed country, and then take an example of any other country like Africa or anything like that. So he soon learns that the youngest child of the family belongs to the poor noble family which live in the back countries. Having no administrative skill, he can't do anything to manage the vast land his family has. Unfortunately, he is blessed with a very rare talent, the talent of magic. Unfortunately, his talent could bring stability to his family. In this situation, only brought disaster. This is a story of a boy, Wendelin von Benno Beinster, opening his own path in a harsh world. Like I said, it is worth watching an anime. As you can say, it is a boy, 6-year-old boy, and he soon met a teacher which teaches which teaches him a magic, or you can say which teaches him how to become a magic. Then he goes to the school, or you can say the academy, to learn the more about magic. Then he made some friend there, and those friend become his second or third wife, or you can say concubines, or and soon after that he learns he destroyed a dragon. And then it's on a journey, and many plots take place behind the scene. Like many noblemen twisted the thoughts that our young boy of this caliber appeared before them, so they plotted against him. Like he died under a under an ancient ruin, or you can say he died before, but he informed his family fake news. Soon after, he back with his family. Then he realized that his older brother is planning on taking his life. Then the post you can say the plot twisted like a circle in a circle. But the anime is fantastic to watch. You are most likely like the anime. As you can see, it is a light version of a novel, so it is possible to have a second season. As you can say, the in the last episode, the boy named Well, in this world he is known as the Well. Then Well known, his full name is Wendelin von Bemo Beinster, but is a short name of Well. Then he take the vast land and become a noble, which rules the vast land of an undeveloped country. Then in the second season, is it possible that he developed that vast land into a developing country, or you can say a developing land which never developed before. So all the villagers support him and said that they have to appoint him as a you can say leader, or as a you can say landlord of that land. And the king support him that you can also uh, uh, apply any development recently that land belongs to you. And the story take place like he met his wife and engaged him. And in the second season I thought that they are having a like two married couple having a you can say marriage, or many twisted take places. So you can wait for the second season if it is possible to be announced recently. As you can say, many series are recently posting one by one at a after a series to the new season, as this is Isaki animes. So I hope that you like the video, and I hope that you are waiting for this series to be published for the second season, or if possible to the third season. As you can say, in story many plotted twisted, or like you can say many plots are in the stories that are unrelated this time, that they can make the anime more fantastic and more twist plotted anime. So I hope you like the video, guys. So please subscribe my channel and hit the like bell icon so that I motivated and releases more reviews of the latest anime which will be going on. So I let's go for the anime to be published for the second season, and I will be updated you. So in this video that's all. So I hope you like the video, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon, guys.